Welcome to Bombay Tools, the tools expert. Today, we are here to introduce you to our special range of non-sparking tools. Let's find out why they are so special. We will walk you through our rigorous 7-step manufacturing process that we follow for producing our non-sparking tools. These processes have been refined over 25 years of tool making and imparts the tool its signature strength and precision. Step 1. Melting and sand casting. High-quality copper is melted with the alloying elements in our furnace. This melting liquid is poured into sand casts, which gives the tool its basic shape. Once tools are casted, the next step will impart the signature strength of our sparkless tools. Step 2. Die forging. The tool is reheated to a temperature of about 900 degrees Celsius, at which point it is transferred into the die mold of a forging machine. Forging under high pressure and temperature helps aligns the grain structure, eliminates porosity, and refines the microstructure, resulting in tools that can withstand heavy usage and demanding applications without deformation or failure. Step 3. Precision machining. In this stage, our state-of-the-art machines, CNC, lathes, slotting machines, etc., meticulously shape and refine each tool, guaranteeing precision and accuracy in every detail. Our precise machining operation ensure that every tool meet the rigorous standards of tolerances as per DIN IS. Step 4. Polishing. Our non-sparking tools undergo a thorough polishing process to achieve a smooth, corrosion-resistant finish. This not only enhances their appearance but also improves the tool's ergonomics. Step 5. Dimensional testing. To ensure the perfect fit and functionality of each tool, they undergo rigorous dimensional testing. We leave no room for error, ensuring that you receive a tool that meets your exact specifications. Step 6. Quality check. Our dedicated quality control team carefully re-inspects every tool for surface finish. Further, tools are tested for their composition using spectro-analysis. Step 7. Strength testing. Our non-sparking tools are subjected to painstaking strength tests, including hardness test, tensile test, and torsional strain test. This ensures that they are well suited for all industrial applications. By the end of this meticulous process, we present to you the perfect tool, a Bombay Tools non-sparking tool. With each stage, our tools only get better, providing you with unmatched quality and peace of mind. At Bombay Tools, we are committed to manufacturing tools that not only excel in performance but also prioritize safety. Choose our sparkless tools for your industrial needs and experience the Bombay Tools difference.